Here we go, and welcome to another edition of EF Race Rods. And the reason we're here today is to show you how to open or shut a hood when it doesn't want to stay shut. So we have this Tobin's car here, and when you open Tobin's hood, pop it open, you do your normal work to it, whatever you had to do to it, and then you're going to shut it, but it won't shut. It stays open. You know, the safety latch holds it, but it's still open. This little half moon thing is not engaging the part up here.
Plungery thing,
So,
yeah.
if you on the wagon, there's a little gap here. You can stick your finger in and just move the cable until you see the half moon, and then pull up with it with your. It should be right about where the half moon is. You can feel the cable right there, and then you can shut it again.
And she's locked.
And she's locked shut. And that's it.